I know you want to know how to get this right because it only takes 15 minutes. Do I need more lip gloss? No, I do not. I lied. I definitely do. It's never enough. Hey guys! So yes, do you see something new about me? It only took like 15 minutes and I'm about to show y'all how. All of the products and hair supplies that I use will be down in the description box below. I'd like you to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Get straight into the video. Hey lovelies! Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is this hard bristle brush. You really need a hard brush. Like seriously. Then you're gonna need the Style Factor Edge Booster. I love it, the Sweet Peach scent. Oh my god. Then you're gonna need the Style Factor Gel. This thing works miracles on 4C hair. I'm letting you know. Next, you'll need some bobby pins. Yes, you need to pin that thing up, girl. Feel me? Then you're gonna need some hair accessories, just if you want to be extra like me. And then you're gonna need at least 2 packs of hair, because you know I love me some thick hair. And then you're gonna need your edge comb. If you see me reaching down, it's because there's a faucet in front of me since I'm in my bathroom and I'm adding water to my hair. This part is very crucial. If you want to have your hair nice and soft and actually stick up properly, add some leave-in conditioner. I already had mine in from the previous time before since I had my bun in for like 3 or 4 days. So yeah, just make sure you add some water, some leave-in conditioner, and you'll be good. Next, you're going to take all your hair to the top of your head where you want the ponytail and apply a very loose scrunchie. You see how I only wrapped it once? Don't make it tight because this part, we have to add the gel and it makes it very, very more slick when you add it on a loose ponytail at first. Next, you're going to take about a dime size amount of gel, like that little size amount. I don't like to use a lot of gel in my hair because it's just too much. It's just too much. And you're going to rub it and brush it all throughout your hair. Next, you're going to take your hair out and you're going to get a bigger scrunchie like I did so that it can hold all of that hair. Because, girl, Jesus, as y'all saw in the beginning, it ain't easy. And you're going to make sure you tightly slick all that hair up into that ponytail. Girl, slick it. Because if that thing is not slick, it's not going to look right. I'm telling you, it's not going to look right. I wrapped it around 3 times, but the last time when you wrap it around, don't pull it all the way through. Make yourself a little bun. This bun has to be as small as possible. This is a crucial part of when you do your ponytail. This bun has to be small as possible. I have a lot of hair on my head, so that's like the smallest I can kind of get this bun. I probably could get it smaller, but you know, whatever. Next, you're gonna take a little rubber bands and like flatten it down. You need this bun to be as small as possible. Take your little head tie. You know, you gotta hold that thing down because, you know, it's gonna fuzz right back up. It needs to be slick, girl. It needs to be slick, baby girl. Next, you're gonna take your 2 packs of hair. I only use 1.5 because like I realized that the whole 2 packs was kind of too thick. But I mean, it's up to your preference. You might want to use 1 pack, you might want to use 2, you might want to use 1.5. I mean, why not? Okay, so this part I slowed down for you guys and I actually zoomed in so you guys can see what I can do because, you know, some people it's confusing for them. So you take the hair, you put the scrunchie in the middle of the hair folded in half, as you can see. Then you take one side of the scrunchie and you stick it in the middle of the other side of the scrunchie. I know it's kind of hard because of my nails, but you see how I stuck the one piece in the middle of the other loop and then pulled it through? That's how you do it. Make sure that when you apply the ponytail, you applied it on the opposite side of where you want it to fall. This part is crucial because you need to flip it over to the side that you want it to fall on. So make sure you apply it on the opposite side of where you want it to fall. Next, you're going to split the ponytail in 3 and begin to braid. Now, I also zoomed in on this part to help you guys out. When you braid, if you want to be extra like me, take out a little extra piece and that'll make it look even cuter and more messier towards the end of the video. If not, you can just keep braiding it like a regular braid. It's all up to preference. I'm gonna take a little rubber band just to secure the ends because you know you don't want it to unbraid while you're walking around and stuff. That will just not be good. You just gonna look a hot mess, girl. Begin to fluff out the braid because you know you want a thick, nice braid, which is why you're supposed to braid it very loosely. And like I said in the beginning, because you know you want that very, very thick, nice looking braid. You don't want this small little thing. I mean, what's the point of putting 1.5 packs if you're just gonna have this small little braid? Feel me? And you just flip that thing on over. Whoop! Now this is where you take them hairpins and you make sure that thing don't move, girl. Because I done seen some ponytails that almost flew in the wind. You don't want that. That does not need to be you. We're not about to embarrass ourselves. Pin that thing on up. Take your curlers, feel me? And them little extra pieces, if you want to be extra like me and you took them out, you're going to sit there and you're going to curl them because it's going to make it look 10 times better, I'm telling you. After I got all the curlers in, then I took some boiling water and then you dip the curlers in the boiling water for like 15 seconds. 10 to 15 seconds. It really doesn't take that long because, you know, it's plastic hair. This is the more extraness in me. Then I began to cut it and, you know, shape it to my liking. You can do it to however you want to do it. If you want to keep them long, you can keep them long. If you want to keep them all in the same spot, you can too. But if you see, I took them and I shoved them in between the braid. So like some are sticking out in the back, some are sticking out in the front, because I just love a messy braid. Bam! Now we're about to do the most tedious and most time-consuming part, you know? This is when your creativity takes over you. But not me, because I was not feeling the whole mustache, crazy edges vibes, feel me? This is more of the simple, you know, nice little swoops that I'm giving you. But if you want to go crazy with your hair, go crazy. Go stupid. Smell is amazing. This is where I began to add my cutesy little jewel pieces, for me, you know, just to spice up the look a little bit. Make it look, you know, like make it be boom in your face. Like, hello, I'm here. Thank you very much. I am the life of the party. Bam, bam, bitch, bam. That's it, period. Real quick, but you know, you ain't got the money to be buying all these wigs and stuff. For me, you just pop this real quick and you're good to go. I thank you guys for watching. Comment any other videos you want to see from me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, lovelies.